Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So yes, it has been forever since I've done a video, but I am back now and I am glad to be back. So I did a little bit of shopping recently, so I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing to kind of show you guys what I picked up and to help me get back into the swing of things. So I know I've been gone a really long time, so some of you guys may have some questions about where I've been, but honestly, nothing super exciting, just working. So for those of you who don't know, my full-time job is actually, I do project management for an IT company. So that's what I'm doing with most of my time. And I recently got my real estate license here in North Carolina. So that's what I'm doing with the rest of my time. So it's been a little bit of a struggle trying to balance everything. So I just had to kind of take a step back from YouTube to get my other priorities in order. So that's really it. Like I said, nothing crazy. I have posted from time to time on Instagram, just kind of sharing some things that I picked up along the way. Not a whole lot actually. I just picked up a few things here and there. So I'll probably be doing some review videos over the next couple of months, just sharing those things that I've picked up and let you know how they're working out for me, and some things that I've sold. I actually have gotten rid of a couple of things, so I'll let you know what hasn't worked out for me as well. I have done a little bit of traveling over the past year or so. I've been to the Czech Republic a couple of times, and I think I have seen a few comments, someone asking me if I would do a video on my experience in the Czech Republic, so I may do that as well. So be on the lookout for those videos. So on to today's topic. I actually recently just picked up the Gucci Marmont camera bag in black. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, so this is the box that the bag came shipped in. And I did buy this directly from the Gucci website. So this is kind of what the packaging would look like if you purchased directly from Gucci.com. So I went ahead and cut open the tape just to save a little bit of time. And when you open up the box, you just see it just comes in the box that the actual bag is in. And you just have some air paper to keep the box from shifting around. So go ahead and take that out and I'll show you what it looks like. So the envelope just has the receipt and it has, I think, just the return labels if you do need to return the bag for any reason. And I think just the thank you note, just saying thank you for shopping at Gucci.com and blah, blah, blah. It also had I think this was just a sample of like a perfume sample maybe. And this was called Gucci Not Guilty. And I didn't even try it, so I'll have to check it out and see if I actually like it. But I think it just came with 2 samples. So that's that. So I'll check that out and I might do a review on that later. But this is the box. It has the ribbon tied around it. And it just has Gucci, along the side of the ribbon. So we'll go ahead and take that off. And this is just the box with a magnetic closure, just like Louis Vuitton. So I do really like the boxes for storage purposes. So it also comes just kind of wrapped in paper with the Gucci sticker on the front. And I didn't want to tear the paper and I didn't want to tear the sticker. So I just went ahead and just kind of took the bag out the side. All right, so it comes also in just the kind of the regular dust bag, and it's kind of like a silk or satin dust bag with the ribbon drawstring. And then also it's wrapped again, so you should get it in pretty good condition because it is packaged pretty well. So it just comes wrapped again in like some kind of foam, like a thin foam paper or something. So all right, drum roll, we'll actually see what the bag looks like. And all right, ta-da! Here it is. So as you see, it has kind of like this chevron print, and I actually really do like it. I can fit a lot more in it than I thought I would, it being a smaller bag, but it's still a pretty sizable bag. So as you see, it has the antique gold hardware on the front, and on the back it just has like the stitched GG on the back. And I actually really do like that because you can kind of wear it either way. I know the flat bag, I think it had the hearts on the back, and I wasn't really crazy about the hearts. So I do like the fact that it has like the GGs on one side. So when I want to be a little bit more low-key, I'll wear it on that side sometimes. It just depends on where I am. But, if I'm okay with my surroundings, then I'll just wear it regular with the gold hardware facing outward. But, you do have those 2 options, so I do like that. And also it does have an adjustable strap, so that's great for those of you who just need, the height adjustment sometimes. It does have 6 holes in it, and I think I put this one on the middle, possibly. But I think I generally wear it in the middle, but you can adjust the strap if that is a concern for you. So that's what it looks like. And it does have a little bit of gold hardware on the strap as well. So I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. It does come kind of stuffed with just paper. The inside is kind of a lighter colored suede material. And I do like that. It's probably not great if you maybe spill things a lot in your bag, but I do like it because it's not black, and you know, it's just a smaller bag, and you probably would not find anything in it if it were, you know, dark like that inside. But this just has the care booklets in it, and it has one slip pocket on the side, no zipper or anything, and there's no pocket on the other side. So it's just, you know, just kind of pretty basic inside, but I do like it, and it's actually pretty roomy. So that is that. And I will show you some quick mod shots of what it looks like on me. All right, so for reference, I am around 5'3" and around 185, 190-ish. I'm working on it, guys, but for now, this is what it is. So I'm a little on the curvy side. So if that is a concern for you, if you're interested in what it looks like on a curvier frame, because I'm always self-conscious about buying smaller bags and not being a small, petite frame. But this is kind of how it sits on me. I don't generally wear my bags crossbody because I'm a little bit top heavy, so I just don't generally like it. But if you have a similar frame and want to see what it looks like, then this is kind of how it fits on me. So that's it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do have questions, feel free to leave them below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.